at the technology infrastructure of major global corporations, deciding the tech stacks that run their worlds. My name is Charles K. Davis. Today I'm taking that enterprise grade expertise and applying it to a solo founder mission. On this channel, Founders Paradise, I'm building in public. No fluff, no theory, just the execution layer I use to launch SaaS products rapidly. Today, I'm breaking down the exact stack I trust: Claude, Gemini, and Grok for the logic, and Webflow, Riverside, and Sendible for the delivery. Let's start at why I chose this specific AI layer for rapid SaaS development. These products must work together seamlessly. When I was working with Fortune companies, I was responsible for coming up for the development stack for teams in Navistar, MCI WorldCom, CNA Insurance, Pantsoft Systems, and many more. So let's make it clear I have the expertise and the knowledge to do this effectively. The first part of this is just the introduction right now. This is going to be a three-part series. This is the overview. On one side, we have the back end products: Claude, Grok, and Gemini. On the other side, we have the execution layers: Webflow, Riverside, and Sendible. The back end side are the AI products. Why I chose them. Instead of using one AI, it is best that you use three: Grok, Gemini, and Claude. And in the next video, I'm going to cover why those three are important, what their drawbacks and positive aspects of each one, because each one has a powerful, powerful usage. On the other side is Webflow, which is a no-code developer. Then there's Riverside, a content engine. It's a new product that I'm using right now. I've been using it to develop my YouTube videos for the last couple of years, and it has a full suite of that will make your content production easy peasy. I mean, this thing, they have added some features to it where you could actually use it for your entire company, from YouTube, website, new, all of that. And I will go into those features and how they fit together with Webflow and with Sendible. I'm going to ask that you click like, follow, and share, because I'm going to be building things in public, and you need to understand the tools that I'm using in order to build the SaaS product. It's already been developed. It's in the pilot mode right now, and I'm going to show you how I did it so you can know how to do it too.